Hello, I'm Luke Decker, Account Director here at the Better Business Bureau serving Northern Indiana. This is going to be a tutorial on how to get the BBB Dynamic Seal placed on your website. This is a really cool feature to be able to interact with consumers and for them to be able to click on this seal on your website to recognize that you're an accredited business with us. So the very first thing you're going to do is go to bbb.org and then click on Business Login at the very top. Once here, you're going to log into your BBB profile. In this instance, we're going to use my email address, and we set up a fake account called ABC Business, and this is going to be obviously for example purposes. So once you log in, you're going to see a tile here that says Download Accredited Business Seals. You're going to click on that. Once there's a link at the top that says BBB Dynamic Seal. You're going to click this. You're going to see a variety of seals here that show your BBB rating and then also that you're a BBB accredited business. If you don't like any of these seals, you can actually scroll back up to the top here and click over Mouse Over. And there's also a variety of colors as well, like blue or black, and whichever one you like, you're going to click the Select button underneath it, and there's going to be this HTML coding that comes up here. What you're going to do is you're going to email yourself that code, or your web developer, whichever one you prefer. So I'm going to send this coding to myself, and I'm going to hit Send Email, the green button there. Now what you're going to do at this stage is you will copy all of this coding and you're going to paste it onto the back end of your website. So you'll log into the back end of your website here and you're going to paste all of this HTML coding wherever you would like on your website. Obviously, if you're not tech savvy, you're not a web person, you can send this over to a web developer, or you can give us a call here at the Better Business Bureau as well. And our phone number here is 260-918-2064. 260-918-2064.